Never had to walk a single mile in my shoes. I'm not saying that you ever really wanted to. We can never go back to another time. This photograph's painted in my mind. I remember when you made your car fly. I'm surprised we could drive and stay alive. Nothing more than a scar left on your head. What will we dream of next? To paint this town red. The rooms are always bent, never broken. Sneak outside your house, we'll start smoking. Butterflies and airplanes, a Big Ben jungling and radio waves. I wanna fly back to another day, and there's nothing you can say to make this go away. Daydreamer's holiday. Met a girl, we consummated in the summertime. Turns out she went both ways, I didn't mind. She worked on a fishing boat in Juneau, Alaska, haven't seen her. She moved away years ago. The rooms were always bent, never broken. You said you kissed a girl, and you weren't joking. Butterflies and aeroplanes, brain dead retreads, blown out all-night rays. And I wanna fly back to another day, and there's nothing you can say to make this go away. A daydreamer's holiday. Drank on your brother's fake ID. Passed the hat, roll it fat, hey, this ain't free. There was always such a ride when folks left town. Cigarette burns on the couch will always bring you down.